Okay, continue. Okay, here. You look at this. This picture tell a story. It's called the circus. Okay, just look at the pictures. First, it's Saturday. The children want to go somewhere nice. They decide to go to the circus. Now, you tell a story. Okay, you tell a story.
Wow.
Can you tell me a story? First, you tell me a story about here. Can you tell a story? It's picture number
Uh,
one. Number one, two, three, four, and five.
children,
Tell me a story.
children buy the circus ticket
Okay, and then,
and go to the circus.
hmm,
Uh, ah, children buy the circus ticket in
after,
the uh, children mm, buy the coffee.
okay, they will buy a coffee. After that one, number three, what happened? Number three. Number four.
Coffee and drink.
Okay,
Uh,
coffee and drink. And number five, what happened? Number five.
is children you watch the
Wait me. Okay, number
um,
five. Number five, please look at number five.
mm, children is watch the um, what's that?
Look at number five.
Um, the children watch the cloud
Hmm.
is stand in the table.
They stand in the first they go to the circus and then they travel going to the circus. After that, they have to wait outside. Okay, they want to buy a ticket. Before they buy a ticket, they buy a what is this? It's
Coffee.
a coffee. Okay, and this coffee, it's a coffee. And then after this, well, they buy this so what? This so
Cloud.
this so what?
Cloud.
This so
Cloud.
Ah, two clowns dancing on the table messy. The two clowns are dancing on the table. Okay, so look at this. Can you please read?
The children are going by bus to the circus. They can't go in because it's too expensive. They
Mhm.
are sad. They go to the coffee. They are buying ice cream.
Mhm.
Some clowns have come into the coffee. The clowns are dancing on the table in the coffee and the children are alone.
Mhm.
Looking.
Okay. The children are going by bus to the circus. They cannot go inside because it's too expensive. So they are sad. So they go to the coffee, this one, and they are buying ice creams. Some clowns have come into the coffee and the clowns are dancing on the tables. The coffee and the children are laughing. Oh, so this saw the clowns, not inside the circus, but outside the circus dancing. Okay? Okay, Messi?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, very good, Messi. Okay, Messi, teacher Ann will see you tomorrow. Okay?
yes.
Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow, Messi. Don't forget our class, okay? Bye, Messi.
Bye.
Bye-bye.